Bold grade designation. Today's topic is very interesting about the designation or grading of bolds, how it is grading is done or how it is grading is measured. Bold grade designation. We as a electrical engineer use bolts on daily basis for different industrial purposes, but generally are not aware about its grading with respect to strength of bolt, with respect to yield strength of the bolt. Bolts are fundamental elements in structural connections, and their grade designation plays a vital role in determining their strength and applications. Have you ever wondered what the numbers on bolt like 4.6 or 8.8 really mean? Here is a quick explanation based on IS code. So, different bolts are used in different applications with respect to their strength or their grading. We will check or describe how the grading is measured and what different grades bolts are used for different applications. Bold grade designation, when we discuss the bold grade designation, first number represents the tensile strength of the bolt in hundreds of MPa, megapascal. Okay. Example 4.6 volt, the tensile strength will be 4 multiply 100. It will be 400 megapascal strength. Second number, that is after the decimal. Here in figure you can see grade 4 number point 6. Second number indicates the percentage of tensile strength that bolt can sustain as a yield strength. Example, for grade 4.6 volt, the yield strength will be 60% of 400 megapascal. So, conclude it will be concluded 400 divided by zero point 0.6, it will be 240 megapascal. As in the first number case, the yield strength is first digit is 4. 4 multiplied by 100 megapascal, that is the tensile strength of the bolt. And second number is zero point 0.6. Zero point 0.6 is the 60% yield strength that will be multiplied by first digit tensile strength. It will result 240 megapascal, that is yield strength of bolt. Why it is important? The grade of a bolt determines its strength, ductility, and suitability for different applications. Choosing the right grade ensures that your connections can safely carry the intended loads. Different bolt grades. When we discuss the different bolt grades, there are few grades that are used. We will explain the applications of these grades, like 4.6, that is commonly used in non-critical applications like light duty fixture and assemblies. Second example is 8.8, it is used in structural applications and medium to heavy loads such as bridges, buildings, and general engineering machinery. Third is 10.9, for example. It is typically used in automotive and machinery applications like engine assemblies, suspension systems, and heavy equipments. The last example, the last number is like 12.9. It is ideal for applications requiring extremely high strength and precision, such as tools, heavy machinery, and high performance equipments. Each grade has its unique strength and applications based on the load requirement and safety factors. You can see 4.6, it has 4 multiplied by 100, that is the 400 megapascal strength. And for the 8.8, 8 multiplied by 100, 800 megapascal. Same way 10.9, 10 multiplied 100, 1000 megapascal. And 12.9, 12 multiplied by 100, 120 megapascal, and the second digit is zero point 0.6. uh, so 4.4 multiplied by 100, 400, it will be multiplied by 6, it will result 240 megapascal yield strength. In the same case, second digits are actually the percentage of yield strength of the bolts. I hope by this lecture your concept about the importance of bold grade designations and how it is calculated and what are the different bold grades numbers are used for different applications. I hope see you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.